Hello guys, greetings to you all, and we are glad to have you back once again. So on today's video, we are headed straight to the Chinua Achebe International Cargo and Passenger Airport, Umueri, Anambra State, Nigeria. And some persons have really requested to see what the airport currently look like, talking about the state of the airport and also the situation reports around and within the Anambra airport. So we are here right at the Enugu Onitsha Expressway, and we are headed straight to the airport junction already. Yes, from what I've sensed, some persons are probably thinking that the Chinua Achebe International Cargo and Passenger Airport is not really functional, or rather it's not working, or I don't know how to put it. But the truth of the matter is that, guys, Chinua Achebe International and Cargo and Passenger Airport is functioning very, very well. In fact, it is strong. It is getting stronger and stronger and better by the day. And to be sincere with you, talking about what this administration, talking about the Soludo's administration is doing in this airport right about now is so intriguing. Like, it's so beautiful. Already from here, you should really be seeing the effect of the Soludo's administration around the airport road already. I'm telling you, what he's doing within this airport is unanimous. I don't know how to, I can't even really express it completely from here. But I believe that this video will do a bit of justice to all of your doubts and your queries. So yes, we are right in the airport road, that is Inteje. Yes, this is Inteje Airport Road, and we are headed towards the Chinua Achebe International and Cargo Passenger Airport at Umueri. And also, I must tell you the way it is, our governor is doing a very good job. Yes, you can see what the airport road is currently looking like at the moment. And also, when we get into the airport, you also see a lot of transformations that are going on within the airport community. And at the same time, they are already working on the night landing facilities. A lot of projects are going on within the airport facility at the moment. I mean, a lot of projects are currently going on within the airport facility at the moment. And even as we progress, we'll talk about all of those things, and in fact you will just see them for yourself. Yes, the video will do justice to all of that. At the same time, let's not forget that there has been a walkway constructed within this airport. You see, when you try to upgrade an airport, a lot of things are going to be put in place, or are needed to be put in place, and that walkway in particular is one of those things. And then there are other facilities, talking about mechanized facilities, that would also be put in place within this facility. So it's not something that will happen like overnight. Okay, yeah, it's not something that will just happen boom overnight. You know, it's something that's going to take some process and some time, and that is what is happening right now at the Chinua Achebe Passenger and Cargo International Airport, Umueri. I must tell you guys, the current administration is leaving no stone unturned. You know, talking about developing, transforming Anambra State. They are on point, and they are doing what they have to do to see that every sector of the economy, talking about the Anambra State economy, is being moved from one point to the other, talking about progressive movements. And that is what we are experiencing in Anambra State of today. So I will take you from here up till inside the airport facility, so that you also see what is really going on within the airport and also see what the airport looks like at the moment. And I must tell you guys, this airport is quite busy. Yes, before we even arrived, we have had a flight that left the airport already, and even as we got into the airport, there is also another flight, people waiting to book their next flight to Lagos, and this is a very good one. So the airport is quite busy, and you are going to see all of this for yourself, so that it will douse all your thoughts, talking about those who think that the airport is no longer functional, or that the marketing of the airport is poor. Okay, what we are doing is also part of marketing the airport, and I believe we will continue doing so until we get the desired results, guys. So you can see what the airport road in particular currently look like. All the same, I will allow you guys to enjoy this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end, so that you will see a whole lot of facilities that are made available within this airport, and also you will also see the progress that has been recorded so far within this airport facility. And I must tell you guys, the current administration of Anambra State, talking about the Prophet Chinua Soludo's administration, is doing everything it can to see that this airport is actually up to standard. And also don't forget that this airport has one of the longest and widest runway in Nigerian airport. This airport has the second largest and longest runway after that of the Murtala Mohammed Airport in Lagos. This airport happens to have the second longest and also widest runways in Nigeria, and that is a plus to this airport facility. So watch this video to the end and let me know your thoughts, let me know your views, let me know your recommendations, your ideas, whatever it is you would love to share with us about this airport. Please kindly do that on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page together. And also, if there are things you know about this airport facility that we don't know about them, please, we urge you to share with us on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page. Thank you, and see you at the end of this video.